Hello everyone, this is Dr. Anjali Kumar once again bringing you greetings from Maitri. Maitri is a space where we talk anything and everything about women's health. So carrying on with our series on vaginal health, today we talk about the hairy issues down there. So the hair down there, the pubic hair, do they really have a purpose or are they just a nuisance? So thanks to the hairless swimsuit models and the hair removal industries, the pubic hair removal has become our idea of being clean and sexy. But is that really right? Do pubic hair have a purpose? So like any other part of the body, the pubic hair also do have a purpose. Pubic hair prevent the sexually transmitted infections, urinary tract infections, like hair maybe in your eyelashes or in your nose. The pubic hair trap the dirt and the harmful infections and the bacteria from getting inside the vagina. Also, the hair follicles produce an oil called sebum, which actually prevent the bacteria from reproducing. Pubic hair also reduce the friction during the sexual activities. Pubic hair act like a buffer, preventing the injuries or the cuts on the delicate vulval skin during the sexual activities. Did you know what are pheromones? So pheromones are actually odors produced by the body to attract the sexual partners. Actually, the vulval area has lot of apocrine glands which produce these pheromones, and the pubic hair actually trap and emit these pheromones which have a role to play during the sexual attraction. Also, the pubic hair helps to keep that area moist, warm, preventing any dryness and chaffing there. So the amount of pubic hair varies from person to person. It's absolutely individual. The amount and the pattern of hair down there is genetic. Some people have more hair, some people have less hair. But having said that, if you feel that the hair growth is too much or is associated with weight gain, irregular periods, or problems with fertility, then definitely it's time to seek a doctor's help. Did you also know that the pubic hair, like hair all over the body, also thin with age? They also turn grey with age, and having hair around the anus is also absolutely normal. Is it unhygienic? Now, this is the most common misconceptions about pubic hair which people have. It is not unhygienic at all. Like any other hair in the body, they also trap dirt, sweat, maybe the harmful infections. They may have a slightly stronger or a stranger odor than the rest of the body, but as long as you keep that area clean, you wash it regularly, it's absolutely all right. Once again, it is not unhygienic to have pubic hair. Should you remove pubic hair, or why do people remove it? So you don't have to remove pubic hair for any health, hygiene or medical reasons. It is not unhygienic at all. As long as you are taking care of the basic hygiene there, hair or no hair, it's absolutely all right. People like to do it because of their own preference, to boost their sexual confidence, or maybe they have a feeling that it looks hygienic, but it is entirely your own personal choice, or rather it should be your own personal choice. Nobody should be dictating their choice to you. Nobody should be making you feel inferior about your looks down there. So now let's talk about how to handle or remove the pubic hair there. It is trimming, shaving, waxing, using the hair removal creams, or finally the laser hair reduction. So let's talk about each one of them one by one. So let's first talk about the trimming. Now, trimming is actually the best option to deal with the pubic hair. It does not cause any rashes, any cuts, any injuries, any ingrown hair. You just need a dedicated pair of good quality sharp scissor or dedicated hair trimmer. Make sure that the skin is clean before you cut the hair, and after you are done, just clean your scissors and store them in a dry and a clean place. Next, coming to the shaving. Now, shaving is absolutely convenient, but it is associated with the cuts, injuries, rashes, the infections and the problem of ingrown hair. So make sure the kind of razors or the blades which you use are once again dedicated. They are meant only for that place. They are not blunt. They are sharp. You are disinfecting or cleaning them properly. It's a good idea to keep your skin clean. Wash your skin before you actually shave that area, because the clean skin will prevent any infections. It's also a good idea to exfoliate that area with the loofah before you actually proceed to shave. You should just lather that area with any soap bar, or you can use a shaving gel with good natural moisturizing ingredients like using a shea butter or olive oil, coconut oil, or maybe the aloe vera gel. After it is nicely lathered, just keep that area tight and shave it in the direction of skin growth. Now, this is very important. Make sure that you have a handheld mirror so that you see what's going on. And after you are done, you can just wash that area nicely. In case there's any redness, you can use some ice cubes there and then use a moisturizer. It's important not to wear any tight clothes after you have shaved that area to prevent any irritation. Then coming to waxing. Now, this is very popular, it's very convenient, but it's a good idea to get it done from a professional, because the hot wax, in case you're not able to see, it can cause burns. Once again, make sure that your skin is clean. You have sort of exfoliated that area before you proceed for the waxing. You can also ask the salon for the hard wax. So there are two kinds of waxes which are commonly used, the hard wax and the soft wax. The hard wax is different in the sense that it gets stuck only to the hair, not to the skin. So it does not cause any damage to the skin down there. After that, just clean that area and moisturize that area. In case you have a lot of redness, you can once again use some ice cubes, or you can also use over-the-counter steroid creams which are easily available. Also ask the salon about their sterilization or the disinfection procedures. Then coming to the hair removal creams. So the hair removal creams contain a chemical which break down the chemical bonds of the hair, and the hair can be just scraped off. They are absolutely safe to use, but they may contain ingredients which can cause allergic reactions. So make sure that you do a patch test before using them, and make sure that you do not apply them close to the vaginal opening, because they can cause severe allergic reactions there. Then talking about laser hair reduction in the pubic area. So in the laser hair reduction, the laser device sends a concentrated laser beam which causes the thermal damage to the hair follicles, and the hair do not grow back. You might need multiple sessions before the hair follicles are damaged enough so that they do not grow back. The most important question, whether the laser hair reduction is safe in the pubic area or not. Yes, it is safe when it is done by a qualified dermatologist. You have special lasers which are to be used in this sensitive area. Laser hair reduction, in case is not done properly, it can cause burns, scarring, vulvovaginal atrophy, painful intercourse, and even urinary incontinence. So make sure that you go to a qualified dermatologist for this only. What you decide to do with your hair down there is entirely your own personal individual choice. Remember, you don't have to do it for the hygiene, medical or health reason. If removal is a choice, then there are a lot of at-home or professional choices which are available as we discussed. See what works best for you. So today, if you found this information useful, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Maitri. Do not forget to follow us on Instagram, LinkedIn and Twitter, and we will see you soon.